In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sine line on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to draw it on your chart, and how to customize and manage it so it fits your trading workflow. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen. This is where most of your drawing tools and patterns are located. In that upper left toolbar, look for the section that contains chart patterns and drawing tools. Click on the icon that opens the patterns menu. When that menu expands, you'll see a list of different pattern tools you can use. From this list, find and click on the option labeled Sine Line. Now that the Sine Line tool is active, move your cursor over the chart. To create your Sine Line, you'll define 2 points. Start by clicking once on the chart to create your first point. This point usually represents the starting position of your wave. Next, move your cursor to where you want the wave to end and click again to create your second point. As soon as you do this, Tradingview will automatically draw a smooth sine wave between those 2 points. This pattern is great for visualizing cyclical movement, rhythm in price action, or just marking out repeating swings on the chart. Once the sine line is on your chart, you're not locked in. You can click and drag the endpoints to move or adjust the pattern. This lets you experiment with different lengths and angles to better match the price action you're analyzing. You can also customize how the sine line looks. With the sine line selected, open the templates or style options. Here, you can change the color so it stands out against your background, adjust the line width to make it thinner or bolder, and tweak the line style if you prefer something more visible or subtle. If you want more control, open the settings for the sine line. Inside the settings panel, you can fine-tune its appearance and behavior. You'll also see an option to lock the line so you don't accidentally move it while working on other tools. And if you no longer need it, you can simply choose Remove to delete it from your chart. Finally, you can click on the 3 dots or More menu next to the tool for additional options and management. Overall, the Sine Line on Tradingview is a simple yet powerful way to highlight cycles and recurring patterns in the market.